Hello everyone, welcome back. Today we're diving deep into the Timetec 4TB PCIe 4.0 heatsink gaming SSD. This NVMe drive boasts some impressive specs, aiming to be a top contender for both PS5 and PC gamers looking for a storage boost. First impressions are solid. The inclusion of a heatsink is a definite plus, especially for demanding applications and the cramped confines of a PS5. Heat management is crucial for maintaining peak performance, and Timetec seems to have addressed this right out of the box. Spec-wise, we're looking at PCIe Gen 4x4, which translates to blistering speeds. Timetec claims read speeds of up to 7,100 MB/s and write speeds of up to 5,500 MB/s. Of course, real-world performance can vary depending on your system, but these numbers suggest a significant upgrade over older SSDs or traditional hard drives. The drive utilizes 3D NAND TLC flash memory with SLC caching, a common and effective combination for balancing speed, capacity, and longevity. The 4TB capacity is a major selling point. For PS5 owners, this provides ample space for a large game library, eliminating the constant need to delete and re-download titles. PC gamers can also benefit from the massive storage, accommodating large game installations, video editing projects, or any other storage-intensive tasks. Installation is straightforward, especially for PC users familiar with M.2 drives. The M.2 2280 form factor is standard, ensuring compatibility with most modern motherboards. For PS5 installation, follow Sony's official guide, and you should be up and running in no time. In terms of performance, the Timetec SSD delivers. Boot times are noticeably faster, game loading screens are significantly reduced, and overall system responsiveness feels snappier. Large file transfers are also noticeably quicker, making it a boon for content creators. While synthetic benchmarks are useful, the real test is in everyday use. The Timetec drive shines in gaming scenarios, providing a smoother and more immersive experience. Open-world games with large environments load faster, and texture pop-in is minimized. The drive's compatibility with both PS5 and PC is a major advantage. It's a versatile storage solution that can be used across multiple platforms. The heatsink ensures stable performance even under sustained load, preventing thermal throttling and maintaining consistent speeds. The Timetec 4TB PCIe 4.0 SSD is a compelling option for anyone seeking a high-performance, high-capacity storage upgrade. Its impressive speeds, ample storage, and included heatsink make it a worthwhile investment for both gamers and content creators. If you're looking to future-proof your system and enjoy a smoother, more responsive experience, the Timetec SSD is definitely worth considering.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.